Bright orange tanks with spider webs of hose connected by pumps have been a familiar sight in the Falls Creek area, but that is all changing this week.
We're starting to pull all of our equipment. It's accountable property, hoses, pumps, fold-a tanks from the south end of the fire, and that's all based on our comfort level of where the fire's at and the unlikeliness of the fire progressing south towards any of the values at risk.
It may not have been readily apparent, but an extraordinary amount of equipment had been put in place to protect residences along the south side of the fire if it had been needed.
Actually, we have on Division Delta alone, there are 43 pumps out there in just that one division. On the fire overall, we have approximately 160 miles of hose, and there are 95 pumpkins out there, which is where we're holding the water.
Once the equipment is all taken off the line and brought back into fire camp, it'll be packed up and sent out to be cleaned and repaired so it can be sent out to another fire.